legit. Anything you want.
Here is how Tron, TRX, will become the Apple of crypto and blockchain. The late Apple co-founder, Steve Jobs, was meticulous and particular about how Apple products would look and function. Some had even branded him as a perfectionist with an eye for innovation. He was also a visionary and believed that creativity should not be curtailed in the development of a consumer product. The same visionary characteristic can be seen in the CEO of the Tron, TRX, project, Justin Sunday. During the launch of Tron's testnets and mainnet, we saw how he was keen on every detail of the project, including constant updates to the Tron fans in a relaxed manner via social media. It is with such a brief background of the late legendary Steve Jobs and the Apple company he built, that one can also compare the Tron, TRX, project to a young Apple company in the late 80s and 90s. Back then, the Apple company was not reinventing the wheel with the Macintosh computer, but rather, they improved on an already existing concept and personalized it for the user. The machine had color graphics as well as developer capability. Looking at the Tron mainnet and the about-to-be-released Tron Virtual Machine, we see that it is a bud of the Ethereum platform. There is nothing much different apart from the fact that the mainnet has 2,000 transactions per second and that transactions on the Tron mainnet will be free to a certain degree. Any user or dApps that wishes to use the bandwidth of the network that exceeds the free zone, will be charged extra. Once the Tron mainnet and the Tron Virtual Machine are adopted by smart contract developers, here is where the next stage of the Tron project will begin, massive adoption. The massive adoption will include preferring the Tron network for dApps and possibly ICOs as well as the yet-to-materialize concept of decentralizing the web. The possibilities of the Tron project are endless, the same way the Apple company has stayed afloat for over 30 years through the release of revolutionary consumer-friendly products. Apple has continually exceeded expectations by releasing hit product after hit product. Signature products of the company include the iPod, iPhone, MacBook, iPad, just to name a few. The Tron project is sure to release numerous dApps in the future as well as utilize BitTorrent in the grand scheme of things. There is also the added question as to how the adult industry through Pornhub will take the Tron mainnet to a higher level. Tron, TRX, a comprehensive beginner's guide from mid-December 2017 to early January 2018. The value of the Tron, TRX, exploded by 2,000%. Yes, you read that right. It's nearly 2,000% growth in just 3 weeks. This enormous growth pummeled Tron into the elite class of the cryptocurrency world. And, today everyone, including digital currency amateurs, has heard about this widely popular altcoin. But do you know what it does? Or are you still asking yourself, what makes the Tron one of the most promising cryptocurrencies? If you fall in the latter category, you've come to the right place. By the time you finish reading this article, you would know all that you need to know to get started with the TRX coins. Without further ado, let's dive in. Quick overview of Tron according to CoinMarketCap.com. Network, Tron currency name, TRONX currency denomination, TRX current price, $USD 0.045 market cap, $2,988,310,848 USD 24-hour trading volume, $440 USD 806,000 circulating supple, 65,748,111,645 TRX total supply. 100 billion TRX peak price, 23 cents on 5th of January 2018. Unlike Bitcoin, Tron is not mineable. What is Tron, TRX? To fully understand this revolutionary altcoin, let's start with the very basics. Tron is a decentralized next-gen entertainment platform that enables you to share content with anyone, anywhere in the world. It uses blockchain and peer-to-peer technology for operation. Think of it as the future of social media. The basic unit of tokens in this blockchain is Tronix. You get paid in Tronix when you share content in this platform. Tronix is often referred by its symbol, the TRX. Tron, TRX, aims to eliminate the middlemen in entertainment today. All content creation on the internet happens through any one of the giant conglomerates like YouTube, Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, etc. If you're a content creator who aims to make money via your blogs, music, videos, etc., you need to publish your content on any one of the websites mentioned above to reach to your audience. These companies act as the middlemen. They provide you with a platform to publish your content. In return, they take a percentage of the revenue generated from your content. In fact, these companies have full control over how much they pay for your content. Additionally, they also can censor your content. This problem with censorship is huge, and it created a massive debate recently when YouTube censored demonetizing videos that do not follow its advertisement-friendly guidelines. The solution? The Tron protocol and TRX coins. The primary goal of Tron is to create a worldwide free entertainment content ecosystem. They plan to do this by eliminating the middlemen and getting the entire revenue into the hands of the content creator. For instance, if a Tron network user creates a video, he or she can directly upload it to the Tron blockchain and get paid based on the reception of the video. With each like, clap, upvote or view, the content creator receives the appropriate compensation without having to pay fees to middlemen like YouTube. Ultimately, it's the Tron community that determines the success of a video. This eliminates corporate control and censorship looming above the heads of content creators right now. Simply put, by using the Tron protocol, you are in charge of your data, and only you receive the compensation for your content. The team behind Tron, TRX, Tron Foundation is a non-profit organization based in Singapore. The mission of the foundation is to ensure that the Tron crypto network operates based on the principles of transparency, fairness, and openness. The team considers regulation and compliance to be of the highest values. The Tron Foundation is under the supervision of the Company Law of Singapore and the Accounting and Regulatory Authority of the company. Justin Sun, the man leading Tron's, TRX, march to success. The founder and the CEO of the Tron Foundation is the young entrepreneur Justin Sun. He was one of the individuals listed in Forbes 30 Under 30 in Asia, and has an impressive career. He is the founder of the Po app, which has over 10 million users. The Po app became the world's first live streaming app which accepts crypto coins. Justin Sun is the protege of Jack Ma, the founder of the popular Chinese e-commerce portal, the Alibaba Group. Justin Sun was recognized for his passion and dedication by Jack Ma, during his study at the prestigious Huapen University, which has lower acceptance rates than Princeton. Justin is also a graduate of the University of Pennsylvania. Apart from Jack Ma, Justin has had several other impressive mentors like Feng Li, an advisor of Ripple, and Tim Berners-Lee, the man who invented the World Wide Web. Apart from these figures, there are several other key crypto influencers like HackerNoon who firmly believe in the success of Tron. Tron's prestigious industrial partnerships. Tron, TRX, has already bagged some prestigious partnerships. Here are a few of them. Obike, the largest bike-sharing company in Southeast Asia, Obike based in Singapore, has launched its own token, the Ocoin, using Tron's network. Users can earn Ocoins just by riding Obikes. The Ocoins can then be further used for purchasing other rides. Bitmain, the leading designer and producer of ASIC chips that are used for mining Bitcoins. The Antminer, S9, from Bitmain, is one of the most popular products used by the Bitcoin mining community. Zag S&W, a leading international law firm with a focus on corporate and commercial law. This partnership is crucial for Tron, as it offers comprehensive support in digital asset creations, risk management, legal adaptation across jurisdictions and operations. How do transactions work on the Tron network? To fully understand the potentials of the Tronix, Let's take a look at how transactions work. Like other digital currencies, transactions using TRX occur on a public ledger. This ledger has a history of all the transactions made on the network, right up to the first transaction. The transaction model of TRX is in several ways similar to that of Bitcoin. The one major difference is that Tron provides additional security using UTXO. In this model, when an amount of money is sent to a TRX user, it is sent along with a set of rules. These rules when applied help in unlocking the specific amount of money sent. The final product is known as the UTXO. This adds an extra layer of security to the network. What makes it stand out from other digital currencies? Interoperability. Let's look at the potentials of Tron with an illustration. Let's assume that you use a bike-sharing app that is built on the Tron blockchain. Every time you rent a bike using this app, you are rewarded tokens by the bike-sharing company. You can use these tokens to redeem free rental bikes in the future. What makes Tron unique is that you can use these tokens in exchange for a free cup of coffee, at a coffee chain that is built on top of the Tron network. You don't have to do the manual work of converting your bike coins to coffee coins or any other coins that you desire. All this is done automatically by the Tron blockchain, with the TRX acting as the intermediary coin. Ownership of content. This is one of the biggest benefits of using TRX. It empowers content creators and artists to get back the ownership of the content they create. In fact, several crypto experts consider that Tron is leading the rise of the third web. It is progressing to make the internet a decentralized, open network just the way it was initially intended to be. Ease of building smart contracts. From the developer's point of view, Tron allows developers to create smart contracts using any high-level language. This means dApp developers can use any programming language they prefer to build on top of the Tron blockchain. CryptoPuppies. This is one of the most successful products from Tron. Just like the initial CryptoKitties, Tron has released CryptoPuppies in keeping with the Chinese Year of the Dog, 2018. Today, these Tron dogs retail at around $18. Where to buy Tron TRX? You can trade TRX on popular crypto exchanges like Binance, BitZ, Liqui, etc. for etc. or BTC. If you don't own etc., BTC, you can buy it with fiat currencies at Coinbase or Bitstamp. Deposit your BTC, etc. in your wallet at Binance and then trade it for TRX. Where to store Tron TRX? TRX is an ERC20 token. You can store it in hardware wallets like Trezor, MyEtherWallet, Mu, or Ledger Nano. The roadmap for 2018. What's planned for the future of Tron? Following the launch of Tron's mainnet in May of this year, the TRX ERC20 tokens will be migrated to Tron's own network at the end of June. Here are the few highlights planned for Tron by its CEO, Justin Sunday. The launch of Odyssey 2.0. The development of Tron has 6 phases: Exodus, Odyssey, Great Voyage, Apollo, Star Trek and Eternity. The Odyssey will launch the POS. The launch of Great Voyage, originally planned for 2020, the Tron team aims to make it happen by Q4, 2018. Introduction of a blockchain browser and token wallet, to improve the functionality and provide added security of users. Zero transaction fees. TRX aims to eliminate transaction charges on the network. Increased network capacity. Tron has plans to reach a capacity of 10,000 transactions per second by the end of 2018. The Tron TRX. Bottom line, there's a lot to like about the Tron network: ambitious goals, several prestigious partnerships, one of the most connect crypto personalities at the helm, third-party dApps and more. However, the project has had its flip sides too: plagiarism controversy, the varying moods of the founder and more. However, it can be said that if Tron TRX continues on its current trajectory, it could very well transform the entire crypto space.